Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about General Electric, and the way the stock has positioned is does looks very good when you are talking about risk reward. Why I am saying so is because of this. Okay, so look at this trend. The trend looks very big, okay, for the time being, and we are just going to look at how the trend has shaped up. Now this part is exceptional, so this part is exceptional. I will go to discuss about that later, but firstly what we are going to do, we'll discuss about the trend, the current trend, and the stock action which we might see or may see in the times to come. Okay, so understand this is the trend. Okay, so let me just tell you the important support and resistance. So your important support lies here and right now at 6.06, or you can say in between 6 to 6.06 dollars. I am saying this highlighted section as an extraordinary thing because it looks like a false breakdown, and again stock went up and we have multiple support levels, and there is no such point where the stock comes back again to touch this low of 5.48. Anyhow, if it does happen, you can simply put stop loss at 6.02 or 6, and in case of any adverse situation the stock may goes down to 5.49. But the way the stock has positioned itself, it looks like it is on the way up to 8.31. okay, there are multiple resistance or short term, you can say, the targets in between. Firstly 6.5, then we have 6.98, then we have 7.16, afterwards 7.57, and then 8.31. so these are your short term targets, or you can call it as short term resistance. But what we are looking at is this entire trend. Okay, is this entire trend, and if you look at it, what you can see that whenever the stock reaches around $6, it went up to 8 and 8.3, which in terms of short term percentage is around 36% on the upside. So although it's a short term time frame, and in terms of absolute price it's hardly $2.5, but in terms of percentage it was 35 to 36%, which is a pretty decent margin. And the time that stock has taken previously, so let's say the first time it has taken around 8 days, second time it has taken around 23 odd days. So we can, looking at the previous trend, and if I consider the longest range, so probably in a month time the stock, if it holds on its current support level, there is a probability that it might again went up to 8.38 to 8.3 in the days, or probably in a month's time period. But let me remind you one thing, the first thing you need to look at is always about the risk and where the risk lies and how much risk you can actually able to take. Okay, so if you understand this, then profit is the only thing which is left, and it's always be yours. So understand this, even though the trend is positive and looks like it will go up, the probability is much higher, but there is also a scenario that if in any adverse case, even the kind of volatility which we are habituated or we have been habituated in the current calendar year, it's quite drastic. Okay, so things can happen on both the ways. So use your stop loss and play in a disciplined manner. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.